at noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. Since the test